Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're gonna open up a giveaway that we won from Pikaclarke. He's from UK, and he sometimes does Pokemon cards opening with his cute little boy Cody. And he's a very nice and awesome guy, so do check his channel out. And later on we will be opening up this Exploding Kittens card game, which I got it from a friend. And so let's open this up. And by the way, I still have a flu right now. I have no idea why I got a flu, because I just recovered and I got a flu again. So shout out to ID Vixen, who is sick as well, and we share the same favorite Pokemons, which is the Sylveon. And previously I fell sick and she fell sick, so we recovered. And recently I fell sick again and she fell sick again, so I'm not sure what's happening. And I have little brother here in the room with me, and so he's the voice that you are hearing. So okay, you got it. Yes. So if you have no idea what this is, it is, oh, okay. Congratulations on your win, Pikaclarke. Awesome. I thought it's gonna review the giveaway that I won. Okay, let me get the tape out first. So he gave out 2 of these. I think one is on YouTube giveaway, and the other one is for his Instagram giveaway. Okay, let's get this out. Okay. Oh, okay, he put it in. So the first one you see is the Sign Energy. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow. I actually like this card, Ash's Pikachu, I Choose You, the movie, because I only recently got into Pokemon with my son, elder son, big bro, and I actually missed all this movie promo giveaway. Sorry, the alarm went off, my alarm. So I actually really like this card. Wow, pretty awesome that I got this. I thought it's just only one card. Okay, yeah, which is the custom shiny Charizard. Okay, let me sleeve up the awesome Pikachu. Don't want anything to happen to this awesome card. Oh, but it looks a bit damaged already, but it's fine. From the front, you can't really see. Yeah. You see, this is a SM109 promo card. Black Star promo. Nice. And this is the one that I won. Let's take it out. This is a custom metal shiny Charizard. Really awesome. Yeah, nice. Okay, wait, let's. So, thank you to Pikaclarke. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description below. So do check his channel out. He's a very awesome guy.
Awesome guy?
Yes, awesome guy with lots of awesome content.
Awesome guy that
Pikachu!
is good boy.
Good boy?
Is it good guy?
Yes, good guy, good boy. Cody is a good boy, very cute little boy.
I like good guy.
You like good guy.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let us open up this Exploding Kittens. So the other day we have a Christmas gathering and we have some gifts exchange, and I got this. So this is for players 2 to 5 and up to 9 when any two decks are combined. Okay, so you have 56 cards. So this it says age 7+, but our video is intended for age 13 and above. Okay, FYI guys. So I haven't opened up. Yeah, you see, I haven't opened up the cards yet. Yes, I haven't opened up. Wait, how do I open this up? No, little boy. Yes, cut only, little bro. What? 56 cards. Yes, okay, let's see. We have Exploding Kitten. Show this card immediately. I just want to make sure the videos are still recording. So Beard Cat. Oh, okay, the cat is here. Hairy Potato Cat. Rainbow. What? Ruffing Cat. Yeah, you see heck. What's this? Catermelon. Taco Cat. Okay. So this one attack. You see attack. Fire the crab a pulp. End your turn without drawing a card. Force the next player to take 2 turns. So Exploding Kitten. Show this card immediately. So Beard Cat. Okay. Okay. Attack. Awaken the bear or dactyl. End your turn without drawing a card. Force the player to take 2 turns.
It looks like pterodactyl.
Yeah, pterodactyl. And you see the future. Deploy the special ops bunnies. Privately view the top 3 cards of the deck. Oh, what's this? See the future. Rub the belly of a Pikaclarke. Okay. See the future again. What's this? Feast upon a unicorn. What? Enchilada, and gain its enchilada powers. Actually, I have no idea how to play these cards. Blood soaked. With these eyes, I see all things, regardless of space or time. Time is but a vessel for blood-soaked rainbows. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's go a bit faster. What's this? Nope. Bounce. What? Stop the action of another player. You can play this at any time. Oh, this one also stop the action. All signs points to nope. Nope. And nope. Little brother, nope. I show you the card. Feed the opponent a sandwich with extra what? Nepis nope sauce. Skip. Okay. What are you doing, little brother? Exercising. Okay. Can't get this open. Yeah, I can't open it. Yep, I need. How do I?
You cannot open
Yeah, I cannot spoil the cards. I do not want to spoil the cards too.
Then
Ah.
later the cut. Why spoil?
Yeah, why spoil? Okay, let's keep this
It's okay for spoil.
back. Okay. So shuffle, favor, diffuse.
Diffuse.
Yeah, put the last drawn card back into the deck. Diffuse.
Diffuse again.
Yeah, diffuse. Oh, no. Shuffle. Yeah. Favor. Wow, what's this? Rub peanut butter on your belly and make some new friends. Okay. Favor. Diffuse. Laser pointer. Exploding Kitten. Show this card immediately. So, okay, these are the same ones that we already saw. Oh, unleash the Wacky. Exploding Kitten. So these are the same ones. Wow, this is sick. Sick as in yucks. 1,000-year back hair. Ew. But pretty interesting. I saw this for a while already, but I have not actually went into this. Okay. So okay, it says place a card from your hand and place it face up on the top of the discard pile and follow the instructions on the card, or play no cards at all. That's cool too. Cards with no instructions. Some cards don't have instructions. These must be collected and played as pairs. If you play matching pairs with no instructions on them, pick another player and steal a random card from their hand. Okay, that I see. So, no, not yet. After you follow instructions on the card or play a pair, you can play more cards. You can play as many cards as you like. Oh. Okay, finally end your turn by drawing a card from the draw pile into your hand and hoping it's not an Exploding Kitten. This is different from most other games in that you end your turn by drawing a card. What does it mean? End your turn by drawing a card from the draw pile into your hand and hoping it's not an Exploding Kitten. How it works. Okay, how it works. So you have a deck of cards containing some Exploding Kittens. You play the game by putting the deck face down and take turns drawing cards until someone draws an Exploding Kitten. When that happens, that person explodes. They are now dead and out of the game. This process continues until there's only one player left who wins the game. Basically, if you explode, you lose, and you're full of what? Incendiary loser sad sauce. If you don't explode, you win, and you are full of greatness. Good job, buddy. And all of the other cards will lessen your chances of getting exploded by Exploding Kittens. For example, okay, you can use See the Future to pick on the top few cards of the draw pile. If that reveals an Exploding Kitten, you can use a skip card to end your turn and avoid drawing it. I see, yeah, I see. Not yet, little brother. Okay, so that's how you play. So that's the the goal of the game is not to get the Exploding Kitten. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's it for this video. Yep. And we will see you in our next video very soon, guys. Bye.